Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby. Good day, everybody all over the world. It's been long. People have been shouting me, Mr. Lekuti, we did not see you. Yemi Lekuti, we did not see you. I'm very sorry. We have a lot of things that we are doing here in Nigeria, and you know that you know what is happening in Nigeria now. You can't talk anyhow, but we are just trying our possible best to just make sure that everything is, we are on the right track. We are going to talk something about what is going on in Nigeria now, and not really in Nigeria, both Nigeria and diaspora. President Muhammad Buhari visited Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the national chairman of APC. Everybody thought that there's something going on, and I know personally, when seeing the picture, you will know that Bola Ahmed Tinubu, really have health challenge, and kò sí bá ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ó láti gbà pé òun ní health challenge, no matter how it is. Bola Ahmed Tinubu only health challenge. So to me, now tí President Muhammad Buhari ti fún ààrẹ confirm now tó lọ visit ẹ, kí ló visit ẹ fún, kí ni nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ, àwọn lọ́jọ́ mọ̀. But what I really want to discuss tonight is why Bola Ahmed Tinubu contesting for the presidency. Because ṣẹ́rí taba jọ jókòó taba wò, mo fẹ́ kí everybody wá mọ̀ wípé gbọ́dọ̀ bẹnu àtẹ́lu Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The man has did great in this country, especially in Lagos State and even in the Southwest. Gbogbo àwọn PDP members tó ń sọ̀rọ̀, àwọn Bode George and co, saying a lot of things about it. Gbogbo wọn pátápátá náà ló ní àwọn skeleton cupboard wọn. No politician, no, tó máa sọ pé òun ò níbi tó ń kù sí. But àwa yìí náà la máa ń jẹra wa lẹ́sẹ̀. But what I want to tell Bola Ahmed Tinubu is, ó ti ní orúkọ, ó ti build, you are a builder. A lot of people, why can't you just pick one from them instead of contesting? Because what is really happening in Nigeria, èèyàn tó strong can never rule us in this country. Take it or leave it, or else nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa ní ta wà yìí náà ló máa tún ṣẹlẹ̀. You can't do any miracle. The best thing you just need to do, pick somebody from the people you've already built already, and try, to enlighten them, infuse all what you have in them. So jẹ́ kó ní brains, jẹ́ kó ní nǹkan tó fẹ́, the idea. Two of you sit down together, talk. If you really want to help this country. Because it's obvious that with this your challenge, you can never rule this country. I love you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You've did great for this country. You've did great for this nation. You've did great for Lagos State. But I will say something. If you want to contest for the president of Nigeria, I can't vote for you. I'm sorry to say. I love you, but I can't. I've made one mistake, and I don't want to make another mistake again. I've made a mistake, and I don't want to make another mistake again. Everybody know what is happening in Nigeria now. Our security is very lovely. You know what I mean. Because if you say anything negative, anything can happen to you. But you know what I mean. Nigeria, we have to just, especially our Yoruba, ẹ jẹ́ ká jókòó ká sùn káká. Kò ń ṣègbà tẹ́ bá bú leader yín, tẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ ṣàṣàṣà sí wọn, ní ìlọsíwájú lè bá wa. Now, ẹ wo àwọn Yorùbá nation, they really tried a lot, but ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. But I believe one thing, pé nǹkan tí àwọn Yorùbá nation yìí achieve, no, I really give them kudos, man. They tried. But to me, àwa èèyàn aláti máa kú temper. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé gbogbo time tí àwọn tó agitate tó ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀yẹn, tó ń pariwo Yorùbá nation tó ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, I came out and I say my own opinion. A lot of people ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń bú mi. Mo mọ̀ pé kíní yóò lè end well. We are still going to collect this Yoruba nation, but not now. It's not a day job. A day job, okay. Even 5 years, 10 years to this time, I can't, let's say 10 years, it can come to reality. But we pay Yoruba nation within 2 days, 3 days, within 2 years, 3 years, it can't happen. In this country we are. Mo kàn shift lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni ọ̀rọ̀ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ni mo sọ. So Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu need láti fa ẹnìkan kalẹ̀. Kò possible kí n sọ pé torí pé mo like Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu sìn kí wá sọ pé mo fẹ́ fi life mi tàfàlà. No! Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu should need to understand one thing. Please try your possible best. Don't contest for this election. Because nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi ò tún lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi mọ́. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà, everybody mọ̀ pé Nàìjíríà ò rọrùn. Go to immigration office now. I want to collect the passport. You know, a lot of people who are for the past 4, 5, 6 months, when you are lórí passport, torí kíni, federal government no fẹ́ kí anybody travel out of this country mọ́, torí kíni. Nàìjíríà ò rọrùn fún wa. Àti fẹ́ sọ pé a fẹ́ wá bá ṣe fẹ́ sá lọ. Àwọn Nàìjíríà ti sọ pé no, ní lọ, ibà ilẹ̀ máa jọ wà. What do you want us to do? So you now want me to now say, okay, because I love Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I will vote for him, no matter how his health condition. No, it's not possible. I will praise you for what you've done for us, but I will let you know that this thing, you can do it, but Ọlọ́run ti kádàrá pé o lè ṣe. Because to me, the way you are not fit. You have to prove it for us. You have a lot of people you can pick, to just assist you. Try to just bring them together. Bẹ́ẹ̀ build Lagos State. Ẹ jókòó round table. Tala lè lò. Okay, ní báyìí ló fẹ́ lò. We have Fashola now. Babatunde Raji Fashola. You build this man. You build this man. The present vice president of this nation, you build him. And law. So why can't you just pick from these people, sit down together and talk about this thing instead of you stressing yourself? Face your health. We appreciate you a lot. You've done a lot for us. I want to appreciate nìyẹn, but I appreciate you. But for me to now say, I want to, mi ò lè make mistake no. It's not possible. But I have to just come out to just tell you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you are a man. You've done well. You've done well. Ẹni tó bá sọ pé ṣé o lè ní kíní kan kóhun náà jókòó ní kọ̀rọ̀ ara ẹ̀ pé ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ṣe ló mọ́. Èèyàn mélòó mo ti gbé dìde. Ká sọ pé the position tí Bola Ahmed Tinubu wà, ó ní àǹfààní láti gbé lot of people dìde. Àwọn tó wà ń bẹ̀ lánàá, kí ni nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe? Because a lot of people ń pariwo Bola Ahmed Tinubu ó lè ní, ó ti kówó Èkó jẹ, ó ti ṣe lé, ó ti ṣe gbọ́, ó ti ṣe kodò. Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ béṣù jẹun, ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ mú èṣù wá bá wọn jẹun ni. Wàá jẹ́ ṣe bí èṣù ni. So why are we disgracing ourselves? Àwa Yorùbá yìí la believe pé a gbọ́n jù, a mọ̀wé jù, but ibo la wà ní Nàìjíríà? Níbo la wà ní Nàìjíríà? Tí àwọn ará bí bá mú yín, tán bá mú yín ṣíkún báyìí ló máa mú yín. Tí ẹ lé kankan. So èyìnbó ni kura. So kí ni problem wa? Ẹ̀yin náà lè máa disgrace ara yín, ẹ̀yin náà lè máa embarrass leader yín. Èèyàn kan ò ṣe tó, ó dìgbà tẹ́ni yẹn bá kú tó bá lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa tó mọ rírì ẹ̀. Ìgbà tẹ́ni báyìí wà láyé, ó try o. Bọ̀gbà tó wà láyé yẹn, ẹ máa bà lójú jẹ́ ni. Even àwọn lọ́wọ́ táwọn èèyàn ń yìn sí, a lot of people ló engage man yẹn gbà yẹn. Abiola know the same thing. What's the problem? Are we under spell? Say, we have to just, I'd like to rethink. So, to me, nǹkan tí a fẹ́ la máa sọ fún má lọ is má lọ ìyẹn ò díjàlẹ̀ tí ọmọ àti bàbá bá sọ pé òun fẹ́ pera àwọn fẹ́ jókòó bàbá mi báyìí ni mo fẹ́ o ò ní rúdì sí bàbá ẹ̀ farabalẹ̀ bá sọ̀rọ̀ ó máa ṣe kí ni á gbọ́. So everybody ló mọ̀ pé most people ló mọ̀ pé Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ní health challenge pẹ̀lú picture tí òun àti President Muhammadu Buhari tó yà lẹ́nìí no Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu no it's not possible. So please let us just try our possible best to just make sure that we are really trying our possible, because mi ò ní fẹ́ kí nǹkan tó fẹ́ kan South West yìí kó kúrò, mi ò ní fẹ́ kó kúrò. So kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kí nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe kó rọrùn, torí nǹkan tí àwọn arábí yìí tó ń bá wa pò ó lágbára o. A lot of people won't understand nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀, but let's see 2023 and see what is going to happen. Now mo fẹ́ wá sórí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn youths gbogbo wa náà ni, because I'm very certainly sure and most of them tó máa wà online we are mostly youths, though àwọn àgbàgbà díẹ̀ wà nù wa. Mo fẹ́ ká understand nǹkan kan. In time EndSARS, a lot of people were shouting. They were shouting, we are going to do this, we are going to do that. Where are we now? Bọ́lá ẹ̀yin youth yẹn níbo lẹ wà ń sìn? Because àwa ló yẹ ká dìde ń sìn, time tó yẹ ká dìde lélẹ́yìn sìn, nobody tó sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Ìgbà wo la fẹ́ dìde? When do we want to talk? Ní láti jà, ní láti ṣe ọkàn dó àwọn ará bíbá yìí ní a lot of strategy lọ́wọ́. Ọlọ́run a kò ní sú wa. Mi ní ká jáde fún protest àbí nǹkan kan, but let's start talking. People should come out. Who want to be the president? Èmi fẹ́ di president ni o, èmi fẹ́ di vice president ni o, èmi fẹ́ ṣe senator ni o, èmi fẹ́ ṣe gbá ni o, èmi fẹ́ ṣe kodo ni o. We can do this thing. Gbogbo àwọn leaders wa tó wà ní ti àwọn previous leaders tó wà ní kílókè ìgbà ọlọ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Èyí tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti 28 years old wà ń bẹ̀, ẹni tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní 32 years old wà ń bẹ̀, ẹni tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti 35 years old wà ń bẹ̀, ẹni tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti 42 years old ló dàgbà jù. Dẹ̀kí wá ní problem wa tí àwọn arúgbó máa dictate fún wa. Ìgbà wo la fẹ́ dìde? Ṣé country tá à ń bá lọ iná la fẹ́ máa bá lọ? Don't let us sleep. We are sleeping. Everybody know that this country, ó ní agbára o, ó dá bàjẹ́, agbára kò dá, ó dá. But where are we now? Kí ni nǹkan tá fẹ́ ṣe? Ẹ jẹ́ ká dìde. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mobilize ara wa. We can do something. Ṣé àmọye youth tó wà ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà ṣá tí gbogbo wa bá dìde a máa achieve kíní yìí, a máa gba kíní yìí lọ́wọ́ wọn, a máa gba kíní yìí náà. Tó bá ti ṣàkárá wa àwọn ò ní láti jà díẹ̀díẹ̀ náà ni. Gbogbo àwọn election kíní wọn yẹn ó máa wà accurate tó bá yá a máa gbà, but we have to start now. Ó ti jẹ́ kó ti pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ ta ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, but time EndSARS yẹn èmi believe pé ọ̀nà ti ṣí, but ẹ̀wọ̀n kan tó ṣe fún wa. So is that what we want to continue? No. We can't continue that. If we really know that this country is our country, gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ kó sú wa. Tí àwọn Ọbáfẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀, Nnamdi Azikiwe, Tafawa Balewa and co tí gbogbo wọn tó bá sú wọn, nǹkan tó achieve tí Nàìjíríà ń jẹ yìí wọn ò ní achieve. Part tèmi lèmi ṣe yìí, because a lot of people ló máa wà tó máa comment nǹkan tó jẹ́ kó comment. Say your own opinion. Nobody is telling you that you are not right. But ẹlòmíràn akọ jókòó akọ rò pé àgọ́jọ́ boy sọ yìí saying rubbish. No, you don't need this. We can't continue like this. We can't move forward like this. Don't let us deceive ourselves. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ move forward? Kí ni nǹkan tá fẹ́ ṣe ń country yìí so everybody. Wàhálà lé ní wàhálà lọ́la gbàwú ń bí gbàwú lọ. You know, it's getting. Let's thank God that it's now coming down. It's now coming down. But it's still yet kò rọrùn. Do you know how much is dollar now? Everybody ò lè jẹun mọ́. nǹkan tó bá rà ní 250,000 naira last year is now 500,000 naira. Where are we going in this country? So ngbà táwa youth bá wá jókòó ta sọ pé oh my, it go better. It go better. Now they are telling you that you cannot travel out of your country again. Stylish ni wọn ò ní sọ fún ẹ, wọn ò ní make law. Nígbà tó ló fẹ́ gba passport tó yẹ pé passport ẹ wọ́n abẹ́ for 6 months 7 months 1 year. Ìgbà wo ni owó tó kó sápò kó fẹ́ fi travel ní tán lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Á sú gbogbo wá sí i. Ó máa sú wa. So we have to a ní láti jí. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká sùn. A ní láti jà. A ní láti máa protest kákàkiri títì. No. Online, we can do this thing online. We can mobilize ourselves online. We can mobilize ourselves online and achieve this thing. Ẹ jẹ́ káwa náà register. Nǹkan báyìí ló fẹ́ ṣe online. Okay, pẹ̀lú member, èmi náà ti pẹ̀lú member. Tá a bá get ara wa for more than, let's say, out of like, bí a 250 million population ta ní Nigeria, tá tẹ̀ ní bí a 150 million. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé àti rule country ni? Youth jẹ̀ ló wà lórí social media jù. Àmọ́ àwọn girls wa wọ́n kàn gbé fóònù, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ya selfie káàkiri. Instead of cash out a lot of things tó máa benefit wa. A lot of people ló ń bú show rẹ̀. How many tó bold? Ta ló bold tó show rẹ̀? Ọmọyẹlé. Ta ló bold bí ẹ̀? Ṣe tyrant, ṣe kìíní kan. Kí ló máa ń ṣe one country náà? Èèyàn á ṣe nǹkan àti ẹ̀ ní appreciate ẹ̀. Ìyẹn ẹnìyàn ò ṣe o. We don't need all this. We don't need all this. So we need to understand that we youths are láti dìde. We have to do something about this country. We can do it. We can do it. So please, I'm begging all the youth all over this country. Let us start something. Let us start something. Gbogbo àwọn Banky W, àwọn actress yẹn, gbogbo àwọn musician yẹn, tọ́jà everybody ti wọlé sí wọ́n ti gbàgbé gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ. Let us start something. A ní láti jáde lórí títì mọ́. A ní láti sọ pé kíní kan no. Federal government ò fẹ́ jà. Federal government ò fẹ́ jà gidi jà gan àti gbọ́ no violence. But at least ẹ jẹ́ ká gba kíní lọ́wọ́ ara yìí báyìí o. If we really want this country to move forward, youth need láti gba kíní. A gbọ́dọ̀ jókòó. Don't let us just sit down. Let's start something. So our youth a ní láti ṣe a lot of things so that at least nǹkan máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń da díẹ̀díẹ̀. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I did this program because of you. Please. Country yóò easy fún orú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. You are now grandpa. Please. Inú àwọn tó ti build, help us select somebody and represent this country. We need somebody that is very high there. So I won't say more than this. My name is Omoba Oyeyemi Lekuti. Thank you.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.